Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now? Check your device supports voice access and has an active microphone. Once confirmed, install the Voice Access app or open the built-in voice access settings. Next, enable accessibility permissions so the system can control UI elements and grant microphone access so speech is captured. Make sure you sign in to the same account used for personalization because voice models improve with usage. Finally, restart the device or the app to apply permissions before moving to the next configuration steps. Once done with permissions, open Voice Access settings and select your preferred language and voice model. Choose on device processing for privacy or cloud for accuracy. Then run the initial voice training so the model learns your patterns, speaking sample phrases clearly. Make sure to enable wake word or choose a shortcut, volume button, gesture, or dedicated key so you can summon voice access hands-free. Test recognition in a few apps by saying commands like open settings and click next to verify accuracy before customizing commands. Finalize by customizing commands and app-specific shortcuts to match your workflow. Map phrases to taps or swipes you use often. Adjust sensitivity and punctuation mode so recognition matches speaking style, and enable on-screen labels or numbered targets if you need visual cues. Once configured, test across messaging, browser, and system settings. If things go wrong, perform a quick microphone test, restart voice access, and reset the voice model if recognition remains poor. Make sure accessibility and microphone permissions are still granted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.